Hello Fanatics! With our review of Like Father coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! Little Miss Sunshine is a dramedy directed by Jonathan Dayton and Valerie Faris, starring Steve Carell, Toni Collette, and Greg Kinnear. It follows the story of a family who travels cross-country in their VW bus to get their daughter into the finals of a beauty pageant. This film has similar characters, tone, and themes. There is mild nudity. The Glass Castle is a biographical drama directed by Destin Daniel Cretton, starring Brie Larson, Woody Harrelson, and Naomi Watts. It follows the story of a young girl who comes of age in a dysfunctional nomad family. This film has similar characters, tone, and themes. There are some intense scenes throughout. Blended is a romantic comedy directed by Frank Coraci, starring Adam Sandler, Drew Barrymore, and Wendy McLendon-Covey. It follows the story of a man and woman who, after a bad blind date, find themselves stuck together at a resort for families. This film has similar atmosphere, style, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Somewhere is a dramedy directed by Sofia Coppola, starring Stephen Dorff, Elle Fanning, and Chris Pontius. It follows the story of a passionless Hollywood actor who re-examines his life when his 11-year-old daughter surprises him with a visit. This film has similar characters, tone, and themes. There is mild nudity. Up in the Air is a romantic drama directed by Jason Reitman, starring George Clooney, Vera Farmiga, and Anna Kendrick. It follows the story of a man who travels across the country firing people that finds his lifestyle threatened by a potential love interest and a new hire. This film has similar characters, tone, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did Like Father. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film Like Father. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.